In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out of an Airbnb smoothly using our 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to short-term rentals, ensuring a hassle-free checkout is key to leaving a positive impression with your host and wrapping up your trip on a high note. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you through this process seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by reviewing the host's checkout instructions. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's crucial. You can typically find these instructions in several places. Check Airbnb messages from your host, the listing description on the Airbnb app, or even a physical guidebook or note left inside the property. Being aware of your host's specific checkout details will make sure you comply with their expectations and avoid any last-minute surprises. Once you've got the instructions down, it's time to do a quick cleanup of the space. If your host has requested it, take out the trash, wash any used dishes, and tidy up the area. This courtesy, while not demanded by all, can go a long way in showing respect for the property and towards the host. Always tailor your cleanup actions based on the instructions given, as each host may have different expectations. Next, you'll want to return any items to their original places. It's easy to move things around during your stay, whether that's furniture, appliances, or smaller items. Returning them to where you found them helps maintain the space and shows the host that you took care of their home. Before you leave, it's critical to check your belongings. Make a quick sweep of the property to ensure you haven't left behind personal items such as chargers, keys, clothes, or any other essentials. This step helps prevent the inconvenience of retrieving forgotten items later on. Now it's time to lock up and return the keys. Depending on your host's setup, you might need to return the keys to a specific place or secure them in a lockbox. For properties with smart locks, simply closing the door securely should suffice. Always double-check to ensure everything is as it should be before stepping out. Even though it's not required, consider sending a quick message to your host. A simple note like, "Hi, host's name, I just checked out. Thank you for a wonderful stay," can leave a positive impression and foster goodwill. Lastly, make sure to leave a review. Rate your stay anywhere from 1 to 5 stars and write a short review. This feedback can be incredibly valuable to both the host and future guests, ensuring everyone has a great Airbnb experience. And just like that, you're officially checked out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Airbnb tips. See you next time.